Ever feel like your money conversations with your partner are less sweet nothings and more screaming matches? Like you're both rowing a boat, but in completely opposite directions, and the boat's taking on water? Yeah, me too. Or, well, maybe not me personally, but I've definitely seen it. And if you're watching this, chances are, you have too. We all know money is a leading cause of stress in relationships. It's not just about having money, it's about how you manage it together. And that's where budgeting comes in. But let's be real, traditional budgeting can feel like pulling teeth, especially when you're trying to get two people on the same page. So, the burning question, is YNAB, you need a budget, actually good for couples? Does it live up to the hype, or is it just another budget app promising the moon? Let's dive in. First, let's talk about the core principles of YNAB. It's based on 4 simple rules: give every dollar a job, embrace your true expenses, roll with the punches, and age your money. For couples, these rules translate to clarity, communication, and a shared understanding of your financial landscape. Why is it good for couples? Shared visibility. YNAB allows you to create a shared budget. This means both partners can see where the money is going, what's left, and what needs to be prioritized. No more hidden spending or surprise bills. Transparency is key. Collaborative budgeting. Instead of one person dictating the budget, YNAB encourages you to work together. You can assign categories to different partners, discuss spending goals, and make decisions as a team. This fosters a sense of ownership and accountability. True expenses planning. YNAB emphasizes budgeting for those less frequent, but inevitable expenses, like car repairs, vacations, or gifts. For couples, this means you can plan for these things together, avoiding financial surprises and reducing stress. Communication catalyst. YNAB provides a framework for regular money conversations. By reviewing your budget together, you can identify potential issues, celebrate wins, and adjust your plan as needed. It's like having a regular financial check-in with your partner. Flexibility and adaptability. Life happens. YNAB's roll with the punches rule acknowledges that budgets aren't set in stone. If one partner overspends in a category, you can easily move money from another category, ensuring your budget stays balanced. This flexibility is crucial for couples navigating life's ups and downs. Reduced arguments. When both partners have a clear understanding of the budget and feel involved in the process, money arguments tend to decrease. YNAB promotes a sense of financial security and teamwork, which can strengthen your relationship. Of course, YNAB isn't a magic bullet. It requires commitment and consistency from both partners. You need to be willing to communicate openly, embrace the learning curve, and stick with the process. But for couples who are serious about getting their finances in order, it can be a game changer. If you're considering YNAB, I recommend taking advantage of their free trial and exploring the shared budget features with your partner. See if the 4 rules make sense to your dynamic. Test it out for a month or 2. See if it aligns with your shared goals. Remember, the goal isn't just to track your spending, it's to build a stronger financial foundation as a couple. It's about creating a shared vision for your future and working together to achieve it. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.